Okay, welcome. We are going to be going over how to build a new page on Wix. And I'm going to show you some other sites that I use for website creation, ideas, and all of that good stuff. So let me go ahead and come over to my Wix studio. Um, and we will do iBook I Go. We'll do iBook I Go. Okay. All right, so in Wix, you can create a website for free if you're okay with it saying your website was created with Wix on the top of it. If you don't have a problem with that, then let me tell you, I would definitely build a website with Wix. Or you can find someone like myself. I'm a Wix creator, so I build websites. And so when I build a site, it doesn't have that logo on it and it has my branding on it, but my branding is not like towards my actual brands. So an example would be my website.
Sorry, I'm late. I tried to get in here.
Oh, you're fine.
I want to learn how to do this, so
Okay, so this is a website that I am not currently paying for. Um, Although I probably should because I need to use this feature that I want. But the point is that you see how it says this website was created by Travelton. I just made the Travelton up because I was in my Bridgerton error. So then if you can find someone like myself that's a Wix creator, then that will help you. And I'm not going to charge you anyone that is with Archer or Evolution for me to make it so that that Wix thing goes away. Um, so if you need that, then just let me know. But because that's not a big deal. It doesn't take anything. You just have to mark me as someone who's designing your site, and then it'll say this instead of made by Wix. All right. So, anyways, you get your Wix site. Let's go to Wix.com real quick. It's so easy to set up a website with Wix, and I'm going to show you. I'm actually just going to go ahead and show you guys how to just build a website real quick, like a PC easy website. So, I'm going to click on create new site. And what I want to do is wait, hold on. Let me grab the mute button. Okay,
I wish it was that.
there we go. Okay,
This,
so
this process, did you pay for hosting or on those free Wix sites, or do they host it, or how do you get yourself out there for search engines?
um, so you don't have to be hosted to be found on a search engine. Being found on a search engine is specific to your SEO, which is your search engine optimizations. So how you have your headings and all that on the website is how it's going to get indexed. Um, and then like for instance, for this site, I'm not paying for my domain to be on this site. My domain is My Travel Institute. So, let's say I wanted to make My Travel Institute domain come here without paying for hosting. I would literally, and I could just go ahead and do it right now, actually, because why not? And then we're going to get back to how to do the things. This is a relevant question, so we'll go with it. So I'm gonna log into GoDaddy, which why does it not know that I'm me? Oh, there it is. Okay. So I'll go to my products. I
I've
have
got
my
a site with GoDaddy, but it's not optimized. But I do, well, actually, I don't even have a site. I just have a domain.
yeah, so I just have my domain. So I'm gonna go to my domains and then I'm going to find my travel institute. Okay, here it is. And then all I really want to do is just point it. So I'm going to go to DNS and I'm going to forward it. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to get this site link. This is the free site link I have. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click add forwarding. And I'm just going to paste it right there. Boom, save. Why did it fail? It would do that to me and I'm on training. Huh. Why would it fail? I'm trying to think if I already did this. I might already have something in here. Let me see. mytravelinsitute.com. What if I have it pointed somewhere else? That would be so random. Nope, it's not. Oh, okay, hold on. So now I'm doing forward with masking, see if that will work. So I want the title to be My Travel Institute. Do I have my glasses on yet? Okay. Description. Oh, no, the. Let's go ahead and pick up that keyword. How about that? Travel Institute. Okay, I don't want to go into much. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Need to save these though. Okay. If I get an error, then it might be because I renewed my domain just a couple days ago and it's not fresh. Forwarding over HTTPS is now available for your domains. Will automatically apply on SSL. Let me see my DS records. Oh, I don't have any. Okay. Okay, that's why this isn't working. So normally I wouldn't deleted all these because I'm doing something with my domain. So this is not going to work. But if you were to do this, then you would be able to go to DNS and then just click on forwarding and put it in there and it will work because you'll have your regular DNS records already set up and you would not have played with it like I did. So as a matter of fact, I think I might have transferred it to Wix. But that's a time for another time. Because actually, it even says this. We can't display your DNS information because your name servers are not managed by us. Manage your DNS here by changing your changing your name servers. So I moved my Travel Institute to a whole other thing. And so it's not over here. And so I can't come in here to do it. And I forgot that I did that actually. So good to know. So, but for you, if you were to do it, it'd be fine because I'm pretty sure the average person doesn't play with their DNS stuff as much as I play with mine. And I've got a gazillion sites, so it's just bleh. All right, so at least now you know that. We're going to go ahead and create a site. So I'm going to use the Studio template because that's just so much easier. And then all you have to do is you can search a template. We're just going to put travel in here and see what pops up. Okay, so we've got some templates in here that are cutesy. La, 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 la. We're gonna do, I like this one, we'll do it. Edit. So this is just as simple as it is. I mean, the interface with Wix is just phenomenal. You guys are always gonna hear me just toot Wix galore. I do not get paid directly by Wix, even though I am a Wix creator. I can get clients through their portal, which is cool, but they do not pay me. I'm not getting sponsored or promoted to tell people to go to Wix. I just love Wix because if you're not great with HTML coding or CSS for that matter, and they are always updating all of the styles and scripting with CSS. So if you're not someone who codes and you're not someone who really knows how to design a website for accessibility standards and all that good stuff, I love Wix because they have a gazillion templates. Now we are in Wix Studio, which is like the fancier version of designing a website in Wix. The difference between using Wix Studio and Wix Editor is in the way that your site is displayed. With Wix Studio, it's responsive, which means that there's going to be a lot of moving elements when you are browsing through the page, meaning like there'll be animations. It's easy for you to have your site be built the right way and show up no matter what device your customer or your user is on. So if they're on Android or small Droid, a big Droid, or on a tablet, you know, it's easy for them to, it's adaptive to whatever device they're on. That's why it's considered like a responsive design. So that's the great part about using a Wix Studio site. Wix Editor is an easier version. So let's say I want to create a new site. I can go to use Wix Editor, and there's even way more templates in Wix Editor. And the reason why is because it's been around a lot longer. If you click on Wix Editor, then you can use the AI to build you a template. So all you have to do is like, I'll set up, do I want to use a chat? We can do this. It's going to take us about 5 minutes. So it's 6:13. Let's get started with your site setup. First, tell me what your site is about. Travel agency. Exciting. What's the name of your agency? I book trippy trips. What type of travel services do you offer? I'll just put everything. You're going to see how amazing this comes out. So they said ambitious. Do you have any specific goals for your travel agency website? Book everyone who wants to travel. I'm just being silly because it's fun. But I just want you to see that like even if I put in crappy responses, the site's going to be amazing. Watch. That's why I love Wix, man. They're like inclusive. Could you share a bit about the history of your agency? Just opened it yesterday. Don't judge me. Hmm. You're all set. Like it gave up on me. Like, you know what, Precious? We have no time for you and your shenanigans. Okay. Next, let's go to your personalized dashboard. Yeah, let's go. Take me there. Take me on a trip. I book trippy ones. All right, let's go. Come on, Wix, do your thing. Show out for me now. Show out. Loading your dashboard. That's just your little back office, basically. So don't get excited. See, just a little back office. So now I'm going to click on design site, and then that's when we can move on a little bit forward. I'm going to click customize a template. So I'm going to pick a template. And then I'm just going to pick one of these ones. Don't use this. This is like totally the worst. It looks so cute. Look at that. But look, I mean, you can use it if you want to. I highly don't suggest it. I actually get a lot of clients because they start off with this template and they just be like, I don't know what to do. And then they reach out to me. Oh, this one's cute. We'll do that. Edit. Now you're going to notice that because we used the AI, some of our information is already going to be loaded inside of this template. That is the glory of using the Wix AI editor. A seamless design and fantabulous solutions. That's right. Look how quick this site loads. Do you see that? I missed that on my site. I have so much crap on my site that it just like, I literally have to come in here, hit the load button, and then go make a cup of coffee and come back. And then it's up. Hmm. Okay, so it obviously did not update. It still says RV rentals in California. But that's probably because I play too many games. I probably should have gave it more information, but I digress. Oh, there it is, creating text for your site. There you go. For a moment there, I was like, wow, so you're just not going to do the thing you do? You're not going to do it? Really? But you are. See how it changed all the words? Discover your dream destinations and tailor your travel experience. Yay. So this is so dope, right? So now I have a site just like that. And look, it's 17 minutes after the hour. And just like I said, we're going to do it in 5 minutes or less. So now I've got a website. Let's preview it and see what kind of navigation we've got going on. So it says explore now. So what happens when someone clicks on explore now? Oh, it just says plan your next adventure. Okay. Oh, that's boring. All right. And this is why choose iBook Trippy Trips, personalized itineraries, customer support, local insights, no hidden fees. About Trippy Trips, discover more. What does that go to? Oh, okay. About iBook Trippy Trips. Look, it's a newly open travel agency. Our vision is giving me a little vision. Visit us. Oh, okay. I'm in Cali. Nice, 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 nice. All right, so I can go back to the editor. Now I've got these pages. I'm going to show you real quick how to navigate around here when you're in your design. So over here at the top, I'm going to be able to see my pages. And so there's RV page. That's the like the parent. These are the little babies that are inside. So these will be the little links that are underneath it, right? So on the menu, when you go to a menu and then there's a drop down, these would be the options that are in that drop down. So if someone clicks on RVs, they're going to see selections for Euro camper, Vanagon, Ranger van, okay, whatever, all these things. Road trips, frequently asked questions, and pages. So now we are here. We are good to go. We like it, right? We like it. So I can make changes on here pretty much just by clicking. So if I wanted to change the background, I would just click on the background and then click change background. If I wanted to change the, hold on one second. Okay. If I want to change the text, I can just literally double click on the text to edit the text. This is very user friendly as far as a design from a design component. So you are really not going to have a hard time. Now, a lot of people do have a hard time when they're using Wix, but I just want you to know that it's all about this little side menu right here. You can literally click on add elements and it pretty much tells you can add an image, you can add a button, you can add a strip. And a strip is like this big wide section right here. A strip is a section. So you can add a section, you can add decorative elements, you can add boxes on your page. A container box has things inside of it. So when I move the container, everything inside of it moves with the container. A hover box is exactly that. If I put my mouse over it or I'm on mobile and I touch it, then something happens. There's an animation element to hover boxes. I can add boxes that have tabs. So this is more like, I think that's actually a hover box. But like this tabs where you click on each tab and you get different information based on the tab that you select. So I can add galleries. I can, switch up my menu. The design and implementation that you use with this is going to be so like unlimited. It's going to really feel like you're going to be able to build a robust site. All right, so now that we've gone over that, we've had 20 minutes. We talked a little bit about domains, just a little touch, and we've created a new site. And now you guys have an understanding of how quickly it is for you to build your own site and manage it. If you guys don't like that Wix logo thing that happens on there, you guys can reach out to me and I can slap Travelton on your thing. That won't be a big deal. Okay. So boom, we're good there. Now we're gonna, what did I want to do? Ooh, I have an idea. Should I? Yeah, we're gonna do it. Yeah, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna publish this. So when it says get a free Wix.com domain. So normally this does not say Travelton. That's just my Wix creator thingy. So any site I create will say travelton.wixsite.com. So, I can change this URL to Trippy Trips. So now this domain, this is a free domain, travelton www.wixsite.com/trippytrips. Now, I'm going to show you guys something. I'm so excited, actually. Yeah, I am. I am. I'm still debating whether or not I should. I don't like to show you guys stuff that costs money, but you guys will be all right. All right. So, okay, publish your site so people can see it. Yeah, publish it. Publish it now. Boom. Publish it. All right, there we go. Congratulations, your site is published and live online. Okay, yay. I can also, don't forget to edit your site on mobile. Ooh, mobile is a pain in the rear. Okay, mobile. Boom, boom. All right, so let's go check and see about our site. So www.travelton.wixsite.com/trippytrips. Hmm. I don't know what the URL for this thing is. View site. Isn't that what I did? Oh, I put www. Okay, my bad. Sorry. All right, so now this is my site, right? And it's cool because it just says the site was created by Travelton, whatever. We like it. It's fine. Okay. Now, let's say by chance that you see a site online. Okay, is there like a website that you guys have seen that someone has that you like? Erica for Travel. Okay, let's go check out Erica for Travel. ericafortravel.com. Okay, that's not right. I didn't just on, I'm on some kind of something. Erica for Travel. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. .info. Okay. Okay, this is so cute. Loves it. So I am going to go into travel agent apps. All right. Get logged in here. So I like this platform so much. Oop. All right. So this is travel agent apps. It's like 39, it's $30 a month. But you get all of these apps, right? And like I can create AI videos. I can do mail marketing campaigns. Like if I come in here, it will help me to come up with like the text for a marketing campaign. Like I can say how persuasive I want it to be, how creative I want it to be, how long I want it to be, if it should be like fun, if it's urgent, if I want to do something that's fear-based. Like it's got all kinds of stuff. I just love all these apps. And I like the fact that they're super simple. um they're super duper simple, like the smart travel packing list, very simple. I can just pick a destination, I can put in my travel dates, I can say how many travels there are, I can select from activities, I can say how long they're going to stay, they'll be there like a week, packing preferences, family travel. Well, actually, maybe I should do something like minimalist. So it's very simple. And I just like that it's simple. So I don't have to like really it's not complicated and the results are good. So it just kind of gives you a quick way to get content, either for your emails or your marketing or creating like all kinds of stuff. So, it's not opening up the weather app, but it still is giving me this wonderful boom, boom, boom. And normally it gives you it'll tell you normally it pulls from the weather app to get information, but I guess it's not right now. But whatever, but it gives you all this stuff for like your packing list, right? So it's so cool. So, but one of the things I like about it, right? So this is probably really not good, but it's got all these apps. And then also all of like they've been adding apps in here for booking. Like, so if I want to, I can come in here, like, and normally I access my Canva from here, but I deleted that app. Okay, going to the App Store. There. Oh, oh, they added room res, culture holidays. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Let me go back. Let me go back up. Okay, so now over here I'm going to go to responsive websites, right? So I can create a new website and I'll call it Jeanette for Travel. All right, so they've got like a few templates, like these templates suck. I mean, let's just be very real. I'm not into these templates at all. Just not. And building a site in here can be pretty complicated. So you want to just already have an idea. So since we have an idea, she put Erica for Travel. So we're going to come in here and we're going to pick up this site. We're going to copy it. Copy. And then I'm just going to paste it in here. I confirm that this page either belongs to me or I have permission to use these assets. Now I don't, but for all intents and purposes, I'm just going to say yes. But I don't. Okay. So we're just going to let that load up. But this gives you an opportunity to have something that you kind of like and edit it. So so that way you can make it you, right? So you have to make it you. So I'm going to go ahead and edit the page. Ooh, does it know I'm not supposed to just grab some insect? Let me view it and see what it comes up. Whoa. Maybe it's because it has a video right here. Huh. I didn't realize this was the video. So I've been playing with this tool. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It won't clone my site, but that's because my site has pop-ups. Because you guys know I'm a little bit crazy. I already know that people would want to clone my site. So my site has pop-ups. You can't really clone my site. But let's go to a different page in here. Is there a menu? What is this? Click on a service. Can you click on this? No? Clicky clicky? No? Oh, this is my site. Gosh, it looks so much like the actual site. Oh my gosh, this is so creepy to me. This is her site. There's the menu. This is the fake one. Oh, that's trippy. So if I edit it, I want it to, it won't let me edit it though. Maybe I need to pick a different page. So I'm going to come over here and click on Disney. This seems like it should be easy. All right, so I'm going to take this URL. I'm going to copy it. Ooh, I feel like I'm like a website pirate right now. New page. Next. Import from URL. We're going to see if we can grab one of these. We're going to find out all about this. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we pirate? Okay, let's see. I didn't even spell Disney right. That's so sad. All right, so let's see if it'll let us edit it. It won't. Oh, am I doing something wrong? I am on a roll today for everything I'm trying to do, just failing. So it lets me view it. But this view is of the other page. Let me view this one. So it's letting me view the page as if I have it. Maybe if I clone the preview. Do you guys mind that I'm doing this? Because I really am going off on a tangent. I'm just interested in seeing if I can do it. I'm such a nerd. I don't know why I find this stuff to be funny. I wonder if I grab the preview if it'll work. Create the page. Can you create a page from the preview link? You shouldn't be able to do that, right? Maybe if I clone it, get the preview link, and then edit it, it'll let me. Nope. Huh. Or maybe it's because it's Wix. Because you know what? Let me see if I can clone mine. Oh, did I close it out? I did. Oops. I have to make sure I don't move so fast. Well, we're still gonna go in here. New page. Book I go. I book, I go. Mm, 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 mm. You're thinking. Think hard, a little computer. Oh, see, it has my pop-up. But if we just open it in the preview, look at that. Ah, something about my page won't load. It even pulled, look at this. It even pulled my favicon and my web title. That's wild. But I don't think it's going to let me edit it either. Nope, it's not. Huh. They sent an email out last week that they're working on this. This is a new app. So I kind of don't care about it not particularly working like this when I want it to, because I'm making it pull like from these sites, right? Eventually, though, imagine when they get this thing working. Let's try another one. We'll do Travel with Ash. Wait till I tell Ash I'm going to clone her site. It probably won't let me clone her site either. Well, let me go see what her site looks like. Travel with Ash. Why is it? There is something wrong with my internet. Maybe it's me. Does you see how that keeps popping up? Look at that. It has to be my site. Or maybe it's her site. You guys go to travelwithash.net and tell me if it works. Oh, look at this. Abroad with Ash. Okay, another site. I'm just playing around. After this, I'll go back into some learning. I actually have cloned sites from here, so I know it works, but I don't know if it's just down because they just launched this and they're like, doing what they do. Jeanette was like, keep going. I know, right? What if we discover something? But while I'm playing around, do you guys have questions about building pages for your website? Because I'm pretty much a super open book when it comes to that. Okay, so Jeanette says this is great timing. In short, she purchased a domain from Ionos. Oh man. Then hired some web builders, and now they're telling her that she needs hosting before they can put the website on WordPress. Okay, that's true. Then a friend told her that putting your site on WordPress isn't a good idea because of the maintenance. Okay, that's true. So I want to just forget about making a website. What? No. Then she asked him about Wix and said that the site they would be building for me wasn't large enough, wasn't large enough bandwidth. What? That's so not true. You should totally be able to do that. Oh, this page editor just isn't working. Oh, it is working. Oh, we cloned a site, you guys. Shut up. I am in shock. But what is this page? This page is ugly. I don't like it. Okay, let's go back. I was not expecting it to do that. Ooh. So let's see what page it grabbed. Oh, that's why it looks like that. Because this is how the page looks. Oh, okay. Coffee culture? What is that? Oh, okay. Okay. That's cute. Coffee culture. So this is what the site looks like. Okay, this is the preview of the site. Oh my gosh, I'm so confused. It looks so much like the actual site. This is the actual site, and I'm clicking back, and this is my preview. You can tell the difference because on the actual site, this thing is not, it has to be scrolled to see. So let's refresh. So on the actual site, this is blank at first unless I scroll up and down. On my fake site, it's just automatically there. Now, wow. I'm pretty shocked by this. So if I click edit it, wow. But this is not the home page. This is the top of the page. It's the bottom of the page. Oh my God, this is so crazy. Oh, it put this home section down here. It's got the coffee culture thingy. Okay, everything is just out of order. But oh my, I can fix that. Let me come right down here. Let's see. So I would click on this and drag it up to the top. And then I guess here I could add a picture. Now, this designs is like different. So for here, you would have to like add in a section, you know, and you would have to add in columns. So this already has a section right here. And then when you want to move it, you can't just like drag it to move it. You have to actually like use these margins. Like this is like, ooh, see how you have to move things? See? But wow. Okay. That's crazy. That's crazy. So I'm gonna undo. This is crazy to me. Oh my goodness. All right, well, anyways, that was fun. Let's go to the chat. I don't want to save it. Nope, nope, nope. And I think I'm just gonna archive this whole thing altogether. Archive website. Bye. All right. Now, those are the responsive sites. They have another one that like Website Wonderlust. And you can create websites in here. It's much easier if you use the Website Wonderlust. But let me go to the chat and see if there's anything in here. Okay, so let's see. Emma says, in Wix, can you have it show your Instagram posts? Oh, yeah, absolutely. So let's go to Book I Go. Okay. So at the end of every single page, at the end of every single page, scroll down all the way to the bottom. It shows all of it. It shows my posts. Do I not have any reels? No. So it shows posts from, I think, Instagram and Facebook. There's something not right about this. It's only been, look at this. It says post from the 18th. Today's the 23rd, 18, 19, 20, 20. Has nothing been posted? Hmm. From 5 days ago? That's weird. I normally have a whole bunch of posts going out. I didn't even notice that. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna just jump into that in a minute. But in the meantime, let's go into Wix. So I'm gonna close that down. I'm gonna close that down. I'm gonna close this down. Close that down. And I'm going to leave that open. Instagram, I'll close that down, this down, this down. Okay. So let me go into Wix. All right. So for Wix, and this is a widget. So I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom. So that's just where I want it to be at. I want my post to be at the bottom of the thing. All right. So I'm pretty sure I don't pay for this widget either. I like set it a long time ago. So let's just see. We're going to click on this and see what it is I'm using. Oh, social media feed. Settings. Oh, okay. So I'm on the free plan. It says I have 3 out of 2 used on the free plan. Okay. So on this free plan, I can set 3 or maybe 2 socials. I might have been grandfathered in because I know I'm not paying for this, so I don't know why. That's why it's telling me I need to upgrade. But essentially, at iBook I Go, this iBook I Go right here, I know this is Facebook. At iBook I Go is Instagram, and this is YouTube. And the way that I added that is I went to add apps, and you go into the app marketplace. And let's say I probably would have just typed in like Insta or something. Or so I don't know if I would have typed in social media. I probably would have typed in Instagram. So yeah, see, installed social media feed. Elevate your website with a stylish social feed. So that is how I have that set up, and it is on every page of my website. It's on practically every page. So that's how you can do that. David said that you're having issues creating landing pages and affiliate link pages. Okay, I'm gonna have you come off mute so I can get a better understanding of in what context do you mean that?
Yeah, how you show landing pages where people, when they go to your website, they can click on it and it takes them right to your page for that particular supplier.
Oh, well, you came to the right place. I got you. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Because that's super easy. Okay. Let's see something. We can go to Branch Up, and that's great because I want to go to Branch Up anyway. Because by all means, what in the heck is going on with my socials? Why am I not posting? My thing must have expired. All right, so I'm gonna log in into Branch Up, my favorite place to be. All right. Like it has not been posting. It's got stuff scheduled, but it's not hitting. So let me go to Facebook real quick and oh, it says sign up. What? There's a little asterisk thing. Some issues need your attention. Oh, check your alerts. What's that? I don't see any alerts. When I click on this, nothing happens, Branch Up. But obviously, oh, okay. Here are my alerts. Your Facebook account was disconnected. Okay. Yep. Log me back in. Log me back in. Okie dokie. And so I need to recollect Instagram, which if that's disconnected, that means my Ralio is disconnected too. That's what it means because I do everything at the same time. So when I'm done with this training, I'm going to go do my Ralio. All right. So landing pages, look, when you log into BranchUp, now I do have BranchUp Pro, but this is good for all users. They just released this in the last month. So boom, supplier landing pages. Now you don't have to do, I'm not even going to tell you what we had to do before. Now you can just come right here and you'll be able to get and grab the link for your landing page. It tells you when it expires. It tells you when it was published. Like, you don't want to only go off of the expiration date though, because I'll give you an example. Emma said she has never heard of BranchUp. Stop the presses. Stop the presses. Listen, Emma, let me tell you, I am so glad I am the one to bring you this amazingness to your life and your business. So BranchUp posts automatically to your Facebook business page, your LinkedIn business page. Oh my gosh. And for $150 for the year, it will connect to your Instagram and create reels for you. What? I know. The crowd going wild. I know. So anyways, you get these landing pages. And if you come over in here, David, and you click on supplier landing pages, boom, you got a landing page for AMA Waterways. You got a landing page for ALG Vacations. You got a landing page for Virgin Voyages. You got a landing page for Delta Vacations. You got a landing page for Image Tours. You got a landing page for Emerald. You got a landing page for Carnival. And you got a landing page for AMA. You got landing pages for days. United Vacations, boom. Swan Hellenic, boom. Woo, woo, woo. Pow, 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 pow. You got landing pages for days. It creates them already for you. So when you open it up, now, mind you, you guys should not be using, I mean, I guess you can use it, but some things you want to use, like you want to use your Virgin Voyages Go link because people can book directly on that and you get commission. So I typically try to use my Virgin Voyages link and not this landing page when it comes to Virgin Voyages. But just so you guys can see, it slaps my logo, my information, my profile picture. People can email me, message me, or look at my website straight from my landing page. And when they click on this find out more, it's going to send an email to me with the campaign details so that I know what the user is interested in. I've actually gotten people to subscribe to my email newsletter by clicking at the bottom of this, which is so weird to me because how? Like sometimes I get emails, it's very random, maybe like 2 to 3 times a month, where people are subscribing to my email newsletter, which is, I mean, awesome. Hello, we like this. We like it. We especially like it because it's low maintenance. And when I'm in between posting on socials, it just makes me very happy that I have stuff going out there. Now, way back in the day, you guys, oh no, Branch Up was just not it. Because even though it posted for you on your socials, like you really wouldn't get any traction at all. Now, do I really get traction from these posts? No, not really. But the reason why I like it is because when someone goes to like get that social proof for my business, when they Google iBook I Go, guess what? I have stuff out there, and it's because of all the things that have posted across my socials. So yeah, but yeah, so these things that come up on here, like if I go to images for iBook I Go, like look, these are maybe some stuff from my website, but like this was from Branch Up. Like these things that pop up, it's all there are lots of Branch Up. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of Branch Up, you know? So it's coolio. All right, so I think this is really good. Um, So David's like, well, how do you add the Virgin page? Because I can't I can't get any of those to work. I have the Disney mini site and it doesn't show on my page either. Um, what website are you trying to put these things on, David? Come off mute. On Wix? What? Okay. I think that we need to get together because I can just I can just help you with that. I mean, if you want, I can just do it for you. Yeah, shoot me a text message. Don't email me though. Send me a text message. I'm gonna send you my thing. Shoot me a text message, and then we can hop on a Zoom, or we can just wait after here, or we can just do it now. Let me close this thing out. All right, so we have gone over how to do landing pages, how to grab them from Branch Up, how to kind of pirate landing pages too. And I love using my travel apps. We went over that. Like, I'm probably going to be doing some trainings on this platform next month. Just because I love to create the AI videos. They're fun. Like when you go into here, say I'm going to type in ibookigo.com. I'm literally just going to put in ibookigo.com. Bookigo.com. And then I can go to my advanced settings. I can add Um, I can add a voice. I can add my logo. I'm gonna do Sarah. I like Sarah's voice.
Welcome to our AI-powered platform. Your creativity is our command.
I'll do some hip hop music. I want it to be like 6 slides, and I want it to be in portrait mode, and then I'll just hit create video. Oh, my bad. See, I'm like, oh gosh, I'm getting rejected by the internet left and right. Ooh, Oh my goodness. I just cannot even deal. Bum bum bum. But in the meantime, while it's creating that, let's open this in a new page. Let's see. So you guys can see what kind of stuff it does. Do the share.
Discover the vibrant culture and breathtaking beauty of Thailand with iBookieGo. For just $2,899, enjoy a 14-day journey through Chiang Mai, Phuket, and Krabi with flights and accommodations included. Experience the magic of Bangkok, explore the cultural heart of Chiang Mai, and relax on pristine beaches. Plus, take advantage of our exclusive travel voucher. Book a trip, get a trip for your next adventure. Limited dates available until March 2026. So don't miss your chance to explore Thailand's treasures. Tap the link in bio now to book your Thai adventure and embrace the journey of a lifetime.
I mean, you guys, I love that so much. Oh my gosh. It's like Reels on steroids. That should be a thing, Reels on steroids. So anyways, love my travel apps. So I'm going to close off our recorded training. I am grateful for whoever is watching. You know, if you're watching, I'm just surprised that I actually posted this on YouTube. So thank me for that. And please make sure that you subscribe. I quit posting for a while on socials because it's like no one likes it, no one shares it, no one subscribes it, and it doesn't help. It doesn't help my channel if you guys don't like, share, or subscribe to my channel. So I was kind of on strike, but I promised myself that I shouldn't do that because, I mean, obviously, if I want my channel to grow, I need to post content. So thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the next video. Peace out.